Hey guys!
Welcome!
We just did this earlier.
Oh yeah. Hi, we're A and K.
Yeah, long time no see guys.
I'm Alyssa and this is
Kim.
And today, as you've probably seen from the title,
We are doing a spring cleaning video.
and here are our tips and tricks and all of that snazzy thing.
To make life easier for you and for cleaning your room.
Let's get into it! That way. First off is to make a checklist of what you want to do. This will keep you on track and make sure that you're doing what you need to get done. And it will not lay you off track.
The next thing is to put on some music to make sure that you don't get bored as you clean along your room, and just so you can jam on something.
First off, we started with my desk. We recommend working from the bottom up. That way it'd be easier and it doesn't...
More efficient too.
Yeah, so it doesn't pile up on your desk as you work. That way you put everything on your desk first and then clear it out when you're done.
And you can also use one of those vacuum sucking thingies to make sure that you get rid of like the small dust that's stuck inside your desk.
Or like those eraser
shavings. Yeah. The second thing we did was to store all of our winter items and make sure to like put it somewhere up in your closet or maybe
the back of your closet.
Yeah. You can take out all of your spring dresses, you know,
and put it up front so you can show that off. Next up is to organize your closet. After you've put everything, you move stuff, you want to refresh things and so that they're more accessible to you.
You can even reorganize your closet even by colors or maybe by season. Yeah, and make sure you get rid of the things you don't need anymore. If you haven't worn it in a while, then it's probably a good idea to maybe give it to your cousin or to donate it somewhere.
Sell it.
Yeah. But make sure you don't throw it away because that's just not eco-friendly for the environment.
Donate is better than throwing it away.
Green party.
Okay. After that, is to make your bed and replace those old sheets with the new sheets. Get rid of those thick blankets.
But make sure you put it in the laundry so then next season you can just change it back to a new pair of sheets. And the last thing you have to do is once everything's done, you've cleaned your desk, your drawers, and your bed, then it's time for you to clean the floor and vacuum the carpet if you have carpet, and make sure that you pick up all the trash that you've thrown on the floor while you were cleaning.
Get all that
stuff.
nasty stuff off your carpet away. There's probably hair on that floor and it's gross.
So you have to clean it out. And you have to get rid of the people you don't need in your life.
Spring cleaning.
Spring cleaning isn't just all about your room, it's also about your mental health,
Yes.
emotional health, physical health.
Your mental health is just as important as your physical, mental, and spatial awareness.
Exactly.
And that's it, guys.
We hope you liked this video and found it helpful, and hopefully we'll see you next time we make a video. Bye!